Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos on your Android device. If you've accidentally deleted a picture or lost some important memories, don't worry. I've got a few simple methods to help you get them back. Let's dive right in. First, open the Gallery app on your Android phone. Most Android devices have a built-in trash or recently deleted folder. Click on the three lines and tap Trash or Recently Deleted Folder. If your photos were deleted recently, they'll be stored there for up to 30 days. Simply tap on the photos you want to recover and restore them. If you still can't find your deleted photos, you can try using a data recovery app. There are several apps like Disk Digger and Dr. Phone available on the Play Store. Download one of these apps. Follow the on-screen instructions and let the app scan your device for any recoverable photos. And there you have it. A few quick and easy ways to recover deleted photos on your Android device. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and good luck with recovering your photos.